Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Login Aid. In today's video, I'm going to guide you guys on how to add friends on Discord. Firstly, go ahead and open your Discord mobile application and make sure you're logged into it. After you open Discord and log into it, you'll be on the chat page of Discord. As you can see, I have no chat and messages, so add friends option is on my screen. So this will not be in your screen if you already have friends. So in the bottom there are various menus. You'll have to go ahead and tap on the second menu. After you tap on it, you'll be on a page where you can add new friends. There you can even see your friends' suggestions, and in the right upper corner of your screen there is an icon. Go ahead and tap on it. Then in this page you can go ahead and enter the username of your friend you want to add. After you type in the username of your friend, go ahead and tap on send friend request. After you do that, the request will be sent to your friend on Discord. Or you can use other options such as nearby scan. Go ahead and tap on it. For this, make sure your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi is on. Make sure your friends are scanning too. After that, you'll be able to see your friends' Discord appearing on your screen. You'll just have to go ahead and tap on that icon if that appears, and then your friend will be added on your Discord. Now let's close this by tapping on close on the left upper corner and then go back to your friends page. In this page you can see pending request and you can see your friend still has not accepted your request. So that's how you add friends on Discord. So that's it for the video guys. I hope the video was informative. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, keep watching.